My shit, I set it off up in this bitch.
Yeah. That nigga Boosie right there. Get him got some more shit, bro. Boosie got some more shit. You need to go ahead and get out, bro. Goddamn. That's what these niggas know what it is, bro. Let these niggas what it is, bro. We done put you on that wall. Set it off. Please don't make us set it off, nigga.
Then I be thuggin', I be fresh, I be super clean. With Gucci shades, with some shades.
You ain't never seen.
Race car jacket.
Nigga, I know y'all remember that race car charges.
I had to buy air no one.
We're not telling on y'all niggas.
So sad in the back. I'm pulling some Henny on these niggas, man.
You don't wanna fuck with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Came out my mama, hustling through the rain and the spring.
I'm a dirty motherfucker.
I heard a motherfucker set it off in this bitch. Niggas flossing in this bitch.
We flossing in this bitch.
And I
Fuck going to jail.
come on and set it off
And get my mail.
Nigga, mind full of evil thoughts. So let's keep a calm. Rob my people house. Couldn't believe it. I'm gonna set it off. Nigga,
Got luck.
you gonna make us set it off.
Who this is? Oh shit, what's up? What's
Dog,
up?
dog, this gonna make us set it off.
Oh yeah, I got you, bro.
We put you on that
Wow.
wall. Set it off.
All wall. You should make it set it off.
You fucked up and fucked up
and you ain't got no mind. No, you ain't respect my mind. I'm gonna hit you with that eye. Put some sense in you, nigga.
You ain't got no mind. How are you fucked up and fucked up? You ain't got no mind.
They your daddy, bitch ass.
How are you gonna fuck up and fuck up and you ain't got no mind? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? That nigga tell me that.
Boosie so boozy and his hitman foolish. Boosie so foolish.
Yeah, that nigga fucking
Great
for
fool.
5, 6 Mike. He was a young ass nigga too, fool. That nigga had been like a Mike with that nigga fucking with him. And you gonna respect a father.
Get in the light, bro. Get in the light, bro. Get in the light.
Martin Luther King. Slick Martin
That nigga
Luther
said, I'll
King.
fuck a bad bitch first so you can count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That nigga Boosie be
What's up, Lil B?
That nigga Boosie be lying, man. You cannot lie.
You do, bro. You're a real nigga,
Okay,
fool.
nigga, bro.
That man
I
kept me
sleep
getting
forgot for a
some
second, brother. He been locked up too long, bro. He been locked up too long.
Not a real nigga like Boo, man. You can't forget about that.
Lil B dark as fuck.
You got more bread than me, bitch, but I know you scared of me, bitch. Don't wanna holler, bitch. I done came so sick, now I'm a problem. I wish I would catch the bitch be with that in the club tonight, though. Nigga don't go out, but I don't be going out neither, but bitch, if I see you, I don't like I'm a nigga, I weigh about 135, but you
Get in the light, bro.
believe the young boy go live. Fuck ticket
Hit my,
outside.
it's just me, nigga. Hit my BNT, nigga. You got your big wine.
Hit my BNT, nigga.
For real.
Doom.
Hit my BNT, nigga.
Hey, Jimmy.
You know who I'm rolling with. You heard me? 504 representative.
That's what they
you
like?
heard me? But at the same time, fucking with the mob.
Oh, you like that?
West side.
You ain't no nigga. Put it down for my shit.
Hey, what's up, bitch? Fuck the rest, nigga. Fuck the rest, nigga.
Believe that. Believe that.
You my niggas, bro.
That's what they like? That's what they like?
They like that. Yeah. Fuck with them hoes like. Fuck with them hoes like. All I do is get them hoes pipe. You can suck a fine.
Oh.
Damn.
God damn, I'm
Damn,
tired, bro. I
bro.
told y'all niggas all the
No,
time.
no.
You gotta get that.
No, no.
That's why you need to come out.
Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Come on. Look at the little sip, Bo. Look at the little sip, Bo.
Might go out there, bro.
We get a little sip, Bo. What the ball at? What the ball at? What the ball at? Let me get the bottle. Let me get the bottle.
Who started this, man?
What's here? Maybe we taking a shower and dust or something?
It's dirty. Yeah. I'm finna spot some things up, bro.
Need
Smoking blunts, we own that, we own that, we own that.
all day.
We own that. We own that. That corner, see, we own that.
We
That
own
block,
that.
yeah, we own that. Hill, yeah, we own that. Well, at least I know I'm on that.
We on that.
We own that,
No,
we
I ain't
own
on
that.
it, yeah.
Forrest Rick, we own that.
Yo, come back.
Own.
Beat you up.
Own that.
Yo, beat that nigga up.
Yeah, nigga, we own that. You can't come around here, nigga, we bone that.
He was like, that nigga terrible and touched me.
Hey, you still here?
Oh! Oh! Dope! Dope! God.
I was just like, nigga, damn it. I was like, what? I was like, how did you say that?
You don't know what happened when it was like, bro.
Bro, I stole it because that wasn't the truth, bro.
This is what we have.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
This.
This is what we have in here.
He got the bam.
Yeah. What's up, nigga?
What's up? What's up?
All day, bro.
Oh, yeah, we
That nigga
bumming.
head
You know what I'm saying? 5'9", you know what I mean?
Get in the light, Bo. Get in the light. Get in the light, Bo.
That's how he turned.
Get in the light, Bo. Get in the light. Get in the light. Yeah. Call them thoughts. Call them thoughts, Bo. Hell yeah. Let's go. Yeah, my little nigga, my nigga beat Lil
Five
B.
in the house. You can leave the O out. Cause ain't no snitching on the word coming out my mouth.
It about to be 10 minutes on this shit.
Oh shit.
This shit going on Facebook.
You putting that shit on Facebook?
Facebook, nigga.
Alright, let me spit some on that bitch right quick.
You gotta
Hold up.
tag me.
God, now go in the light, bro. Go in the light, bro. Go in the
Hey,
light.
Spit some on that bitch. Cut that up. I'm about to cut it right
Hey,
quick.
you gotta tag me on Facebook.
That nigga lean crazy, bro.
That nigga say macaroni time.
Yo, I'm about to put something down right quick.
Acapella.
You hear me? Acapella, look. See, peep game, look. See, I'ma smoke, I'ma drink till I can't no more. I'ma smoke till I choke, I'ma drink till I can't. I'ma smoke this fucking weed till my eyes turn pink. It ain't a game. Probation can't slow me down. I'ma stay smoking my weed and I'ma stay sipping my brown. Feeling blunts, keep moving optimals. It don't matter what it's rolled in as long as I'm smoking. A gat I am holding if you are approaching. I blow still like I blow ill. All day, all night. I'm on all night flights like Air Nights with freak bitches that suck dick and love to eat bitches. So I tell her give me face sex. Her lips drip on my dick like a non-lubricated latex. I got two bitches in both red, they both bow leg. And the pussy fit loose like a midget in a size 10 Tim boot. Think I'm lying, ask my nigga how I doing the boot. New Orleans, where I be up in that studio boot. Ryan clean, man, sipping on some blue. Sipping that brown, how I get down, I'm a 9-wall clown. Got a bar for life, so I be Crown Town bound. Now listen. Don't let me forget to mention. I see you to another dimension. Niggas get scared so they cringing. Cause they know my bullets make a centimeter interest. Exit is inches. And his brains on the floor, so now I walk on knowledge. I got the power to make your bowels leak up to your conscience. I'm a monster that's honest. I spit shells to not get mine there. So I hope you got your armor on. Cause my fucking chrome shining like some armor roll. And as well as I blast, I kick ass like Bruce Lee. So if you got beef, bitch, you better shoot me. I'm a true G. Think I'm lying, I give you a close-up, so smile. Cause when the gun blasts, the flame flash like a Kodak. But it ain't no sweet moment. That game the shit you was thinking, nigga, now you can sleep. sleep on it. I put shots in the back of Gluteus Maximus and put the back in the back for Maximus, smelling like, ooh, who shit it? Trip with me? I leave your body in the Mississippi or the Pacific, and they won't have a clue who did it. Tell me what type of level you on. I pack shots in your dome like they all at a group home. I take it to my shootout. Pistol shaking like a Jamaican luau if you pull your loot out. I take your crew out with one gun machine. I'm tight as a pair of jeans on Anne Marie and Ashanti. I'm a badass, I smoke sacks as big as a horse scrotum sack. I'm sick of holding back. I pack a Mac that's packed to the max with hollow tips that explode your back. And nigga, I ain't finished yet. I'm like Papa and I ain't in my spinach yet. I'm in the zone, mind blown like an A-10 jet, cause my rhymes is full of crowns, head, dope, and sex, nigga. Le Craig, nigga. No 504 downtown Nineville, holla at me. You heard me? Just like that.
And it's just like that. It's over.
I know, bro. Kill it. No school tomorrow, bro.
You know I'm ready. Did I kill it, son?
Yeah.
Did I kill it?
Yeah.
I can just be like, man, fuck, man.
So what is the judge for tonight? What are we doing today?
I think the Argentine trying to go to the fuck.
God damn, you dark as hell.
It don't even matter. You talk as fuck over there.
Him off, we been turned up,
It's a
bro.
little dark over there.
Watch out, nigga. We taking up what's that mofo? Bitch.
Money I get more to Diddy. Love it when I hold a key. Gun like cheap shoes, it'll take your soul away. I'm just giving y'all that sun. You heard me?
Ah.
Just that sun. I play around.
This shit gonna face. I know all my people out there.
You what?
Where the hell Vontae at? I wonder how people at that goddamn supposed to be doing this now.
Bitch, you better answer the phone.
Hey, they smoking out there or something?
Oh,
I'll smack your ass.
welcome away.
You know, Vontae don't need smoke.
That, do something on that.
Oh, we got a blunt?